If your diet has been off track for a long period of time, or you are experiencing several digestive symptoms, I would highly recommend this Restore Detox Protein Powder. Our formula is designed, of course, to support detoxification, but it's also designed to support gut healing. So if you're a weight loss surgery patient who is experiencing several digestive problems, this would be the perfect formula for you. We utilize a highly concentrated bone broth protein isolate that is delivered in the form of peptides, making it easier for you to absorb. Therefore, the protein is going to be more available and easier for you to digest. We also add additional vitamins and minerals that actually help support and heal the gut lining. And it has a rich source of glutamine and collagen, again, which will heal your gut from the bone broth protein. We've also added our proprietary blend of fruits and vegetables that help calm inflammation. They're full of antioxidants and phytonutrients and can actually support detoxification as well as calming the inflammation. We also have added glucomannan. And glucomannan is known for many things, but we're utilizing it to improve bowel regularity. So it's most known for its benefit with constipation. And this digestive problem is very common in weight loss surgery patients. So utilizing this water-soluble, natural prebiotic fiber of glucomannan is a great addition to our Restore Detox Powder because it can help improve that bowel regularity, which is super important during detoxification, but also with the digestive problems. We've also utilized inositol, milk thistle, and choline, which are known to support healthy bile flow and production and improve toxin excretion. So we want our liver to be functioning optimally, and these added ingredients will help accomplish that. So if you are a weight loss surgery patient and you are needing support because your diet has been poor for a long period of time and you are going to do our 10-day or 30-day challenge and really clean up your diet and lifestyle, this would be a great fit for you. If you are a weight loss surgery patient who is really just struggling with their digestion and you wasn't really looking for detox support, but you were really wanting to heal your gut, this would be the protein powder I would highly recommend to use. It's going to give you the most calming, most easily digestible, most bioavailable protein that you can utilize. One scoop has 18 grams of gut healing protein. So you're not going to go wrong with the Restore Detox Protein Powder.